Dylan's Visions.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Well, actually not welcome back. This is the first vlog I've done in a very long time. Yeah, it's currently 10 o'clock in the morning. Got a long day ahead. We've got lots of stuff in plan for this video. First thing on the map is I'm going to my buddy's trampoline park. We're gonna hop around for a bit, get some physical activity in, you know. And then yeah, I got some upgrades I'm gonna be doing in my car thanks to Hot Rod Scott. So we'll be heading there as well. And then, you know, we'll just see how the vlog goes from there. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Damn, it's a beautiful day outside. Freezing cold though, like -10 with the wind. But I'm here at the Aerosports where Buddy Karan has to let me in. I don't know what's going on. He letting me freeze out here. I'm just gonna ring the doorbell and hope this works. You think the doorbell does anything? I guess we'll find out.
Welcome.
Yeah.
My name's Karan. Welcome to my crib.
This is nuts.
There's a fucking punching bag up there, bro.
Yo, this is crazy, bro. What the fuck? Yeah.
The only way you get banned from this park is if you steal Karan's dipping dots.
They're like $3. So here at Air Riders, you get the special edition bounce boards. Oh! Oh! I can't. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Time?
1, go!
Leg and arm.
About to head out. That was fun. Time to get that exhaust upgraded.
LS400! Woo! Yo! What it up? Yo!
So we're currently just waiting here. Apparently my car had 2 secondary cats, which I didn't know. So I'm actually spending a little more than I anticipated originally. But hey, it's gonna sound beautiful. I think it's coming down right now, to be honest. That's awesome, dude. That's what it needed. Officially part of the nasty cartel. Oh yeah. Damn, get that shit out of here. That's some pussy car shit.
You're a hot rod truck. I'm telling you, they get the job done. Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah! Hey, Dill. I know you're watching this. You see the fucking shit I have to go through? Fucking, I'm freezing my nuts off out here, bro. It is fucking cold. But your exhaust is sick, bro. Woo!
We just got back from some spirited driving. You know, we're just parked up in the parking lot right now here at Shopper's Drug Mart. And I gotta say, Hot Rod Scott, you know what you're doing with the exhaust. They decided what would be the best for my liking, because I didn't want my car to be, you know, ridiculously loud when it's going slow. But when I'm going fast, I want it to be loud. And you know what? Whatever he did, right on, bro, right on. The service there is amazing. If you're in the GTA area, I really suggest you go to Hot Rod Scott's. Get your exhaust kit on.
Makes your car crackle.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
It crackles now. I've never heard that before. We might have to go to Auto Spa and give our cars a bathe. You know, this road salt. This road salt got everyone angry, bro. Like, just look at my windshield. Like, look at this window. You can't even see out of this guy's window right now. Come on, Jameson. What are you
I know,
doing?
I need to go to the auto spot. Let's go right now, man.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, put that boy in gear. Well, I burned some gas in real life today. And tires. Time to burn some virtually. Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, this car accelerates so fast.
Yo. Oh, he lost it. Ah.
Done, front end, done, total.
Oh, he saved it.
Oh,
Handbrake.
handbrake.
You gotta throttle it after.
So this is what happens when you race for 3 hours straight, right here. The seat just doesn't want to do it anymore. I think it's time to go to Auto Spa. What do you think, Tim?
You know what is going on here at the Auto Spa? Ice on the wall, you know what I'm saying? Cars are dirty, you know, the Milton run got us going dirty. Let's get this boys clean. Yo, were you rallying or something, dude?
Yeah,
Looks like you
bro.
were rallying.
They're filthy, bro. They need to watch. Let's go. Let's get this done. It's auto spot time.
Yo, block all this off.
That's how you get rid of winter.
Oh my god, look at this shine already.
Wow, that's got some pressure to it, eh? Damn, look at all that ice. Damn. That's why she stays in the garage, I'll tell you that. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the vlog. Yeah.